high Xposed GHFM bamboo subscribe share minute 2 mana wonsa akabi Idris Elba one the finest from Hollywood. Eka Hollywood ababi a sabi twase ne sini 2x4 enye sini kuma wood for ya we are friend say we be the master kasa rough for free where Hollywood sini papa one of the finest actors I've ever come across. Now when inside the background or Sierra Leonean, he's a Ghanaian and I'm even told say he was even raised in Jamaica. And then Waba also ABC top studio, Hollywood studio in Ghana, precisely Accra. Now when him you have to go and see the landlord. Now landlord of Accra or your new Mantse Taki one. Me two and I'm a chairman. I no kuhuno and no kase. Na baba onanse na mabekasa.
And that's why I partnered with our brothers. We want to get your blessings, His Excellency, His Royal Majesty. I beg your pardon. We want to get your blessings. We have earmarked the land beside the Osu Castle, where there is 22 acres of land that we have positions that could be a fantastic studio and school and community for Accra. And we have designed something that we think will be not only excellent for Africa, but fantastic for Ghana, and to stimulate the creative sector in a major way. And if we have studios, I myself will definitely be working in that studio and bringing our films there. So, His Royal Majesty, we have come to get, thank you so much, thank you, I'm sweating. Huh? I thought I was dancing. I wasn't dancing. His Royal Majesty, we are here to gain your blessings to be able to partner with you and your ambitions for the creative sector. I know that you have been very articulate and focused on this arena, and it is clear that my brothers and sisters can see your commitment to this space. So it would not be right for me to do anything until I gained your blessings and your partnership in this endeavor. I just want to end with a few words to say thank you so much for having me today. I want to thank my team for supporting this journey. Without you, we couldn't have done it. I would like to thank the council and this gentleman here for for giving me a lot of guidance for today. Please consider me your brother. Even though currently I live in England, but when I make my home here, wherever you see me, and we are in this room, please approach me. I'm not Hollywood. I am from the Ga tribe. Now my brother told me how to say this, so I'm gonna mess it up, but okay. Aha. Achomi Idris Akuna Elba. His Royal Majesty, thank you very much for your time. Thank you, everybody.
This is the best news I have ever received. Me say Ghana's movie industry has gone down the drain. They say Nigeria movie. Ghana, where is our pride? Okay, baby, a storytelling power in Ghana. Yes, so I can't story. So we have stories. For not me or be a friend assemble a menfi. One no odia with me a bro grandma or dog from my heart to a. These are stories that we need to work. We live, but we are not. And not be saying Kola or Mr. Tom and Jerry. Akura any Jinamoa story or Mutie. We were another story. Every another story has what something that you can learn from. Where is it? It's me and say Idris abagana no so oba besia I am all for it na say ye tenachi ni ya me gane say okọ the landlord na say okoka say Mantse imba na maba nso bia me pato mo besi studio na me nim say ese me ba na me sre na me sre a wo de ba ma me oka say Mantse wo bu to say e me de hie oni bibi say wo fa ohina o no sa o man tu pon I'm telling you because since Vitaki or Senate throne, I'm not a guy, but he has been able to bring development to the Ghana states, and that is all what matters to me. Because in Kreni, I believe, whatever I cap yeah, Ghana for Ghana should be the binding bond between us. It's not tribal. And then we are meant to be takra. It's a na Vitaki. Why what your money where? Who does it benefit? I'm a Ghanaian. It benefits me. I am not a Nigerian. Enti obi asabe obekasa ade we mianya no na ye bonsam. Na bonsam so de Yakupon be bre wase. Idris me da sell why ya we na Mantse. Meaning say you have so many for the gas states. Ade ma kwa me patch on say ga chiefs no me pa cho. You really behind this person. They be say you need to have something that we call sense of unity. Adia ba kwa mu gas state no no the obo so no maka bi eti ahe no se mabu hina ayenya ba ye wo hene neti enklas aseso me ya na se bi Mantse na wa mu na woti so no wo bu Mantse what am I supposed to do it's every day se obi ti se ti ni taki why or yet se on unite the gas state and that's what we all need yet me nya sa gas state no enkoso I Xposed HFM Bamboo. Subscribe, share. Me too, man. Now, Sakabi Manuels. Bye bye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes. Hello. Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.